The fifth question says that the complex number 2 plus iota is denoted by u. The complex number u conjugate is denoted by u steric. Show on a sketch of Argand diagrams with origin O the points A, B, C representing the complex number u, u conjugate, and u plus u conjugate respectively. Describe in geometrical terms excuse me, the relationship between the 4 points O, A, B, C. All right, so the point A is just u, so that's going to be 2 plus iota. The point B is u conjugate, which is going to be 2 minus iota. And the point C is going to be u plus u conjugate, so 2 plus iota plus 2 minus iota, that's just 4 plus 0 iota. Okay, so let's plot all of these on an Argand diagram. We can write 4 plus 0 iota. Okay, so we need an origin. So this would be O. Next is 2 and iota, so 1, 2, and 1. So this is going to be A. And then there's 2 and minus 1, so that's going to be somewhere over here. That's B. And then there is C, which is 4 plus 0 iota, so that's just the point 4 comma 0. This will be 3, and there'll be 4 here. So these are the 4 points. Okay, so show on a sketch of an Argand diagrams with origin O the points A, B, C representing the complex number U, blah, blah, that's done. Okay, but I did not write real part and imaginary part here. Or you could write X and iota Y, that would also work. So you may also write X and iota 1. Okay, so we're not asked to connect these 4 points, so we don't need to. But in the second part, it says describe in geometrical terms the relationship between the 4 points. Okay, now I might need to join this with a light pencil and see what shape is this. Okay, so it's either a parallelogram or a rhombus. How do we establish which one it is? If it's a rhombus, all 4 sides are equal. And if it's a parallelogram, then the opposite 2 sides would be equal. So let's see. This length is going to be, if I apply Pythagoras on it, it's going to be 2 square plus 1 square square rooted. So that's going to be a square root of 5. And now let's check this length. Now this is 1 and this is 2. It's going to be the same. So it's going to be 2 square plus 1 square for this one as well. So under root 5. So all sides are under root 5, meaning opposite sides are equal. All 4 sides are in fact equal. And the opposite sides are parallel, that we can just see from the figure. So that makes this a rhombus, not a parallelogram. In rhombus, these two would have been equal and these two would have been equal, but not under root 5, something else. Okay, so that makes this a rhombus. So you're right, it's a rhombus. Okay, express u over u conjugate in the form x plus iota y. So, sorry, 2 plus iota upon 2 minus iota. We can rationalize this by multiplying and dividing it with 2 plus iota and 2 plus iota, because we multiply and divide with its conjugate pair. Okay, in the denominator, I'm using a square minus b square identity. In the numerator, it's going to be a square plus 2ab plus b squared, which is going to be negative 1. So I'm getting 3 plus 4 iota in the numerator. And in the denominator, I'm getting 4 minus 1. So that's a 5. So my answer is going to be 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 iota. You must split the denominator in the end to clearly show a real part and an imaginary part.